Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have been waiting for some time to finally film. It's going to be a fall home decor, and I have been walking by my house and I've had all the decor in this table behind me the whole last week and a half, and every day I'm like, oh my goodness, I can't wait to find a decorate. So I'm finally going to decorate and I'm excited to haul all the items that I got for you. Everything that I got was on sale, which is great because you're not going to be spending a ton of money. And of course, you don't have to buy all this stuff, but it's just ideas of different things that you could do throughout your house. Now, something important to know is the style that I have going on in my house. So I'm more of a boho modern Scandinavian type of look. That's kind of what I go for and is what I like. It doesn't mean that my whole house is like this right now, but it's the idea that I'm going for. So eventually I want to get to that. So it's a lot of earthy, like warm tones, but I also mix in some grays. So like a warm tone with grays palette, but also lots of textures throughout, and also minimalistic. That's the type of look that I'm going for. So if that's something that you like as well, then I hope you get tons of ideas from this video. I also wanted to show you guys my little girl, Cheekies. She's here with me, so you might see her throughout the video. Hi guys, hi. Hi, my name is Cheekies, hi. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. I'm trying to figure out like where to start because there's so many exciting things that I'm like looking everywhere and I'm like, oh, where do I start? So I think I'm gonna start with some vases that I got from JoAnn's. So I got these vases from JoAnn's and I thought they were so beautiful. The color is kind of like a light blushy beige, definitely my style, almost white, and I just thought it was so pretty. So I got 3 of these in all different sizes and they were all on sale. So this one was about $15. They were all 50% off, and originally was $30, so I got it for $15 at JoAnn's. Here you can kind of see what it looks like a little bit better. If you compare it to my arm, it's a little less than my arm. So I'm going to show you all of them too on the table. But I thought that was so pretty. And then I also got this other one, which is a little bit taller than the other one, but it's a different design but same color. I thought they would look really pretty so that it's all kind of uniform, and I don't really care if it's all the same. I just wanted to look good together, but I just thought they were all really pretty together, so I got this one too. This one was $12, and I also got this smaller one from JoAnn's as well. This one was $10 and it's all the same color. So let me show you how they all look together. And I try to work with odd numbers when I do decorations. So like 3s or 1. I just feel like it flows a little bit better, and different sizes too. So different heights. Since we're looking at vases, I also got this one from the dollar store. It was $1, but you can also go to thrift stores and get vases from there. Just any cute pattern that you like. I'm thinking about painting this, so we'll see. I might keep it clear, or I might paint it, or I might just go to the thrift store and get some cute vases or just cute little patterns of decor and paint it. So we'll see. But I got this here and I have an idea in mind, and eventually I'll show you how I paint them. I've actually never tried it before, but I saw someone do it and I thought it was super cool, so I might do that for this one. We'll see. So those are the vases that I got. I also got lots of dried plants. So I really like Pampas and dried plants. I think they look so pretty and they look good all year round, but now that it's fall, I think it's the perfect time for all the colors that I really love, which is those light orangey colors and light beige colors and just like cream warm colors. So I was so excited when I went to the store. I was like in heaven. All the colors that they showed were my type of colors, so I was so excited. So let me show you some of those that I picked up. There are so many cute ones, I don't even know where to start. There's so many. Okay, so I got this really pretty dry, what is this? It's like a floral, this dry floral piece. So when you decorate, you want to do odd numbers. It seems to look better. It just kind of flows better. So I got 3 of these, and I thought maybe I could put them like on a vase, like something like this. So I thought maybe I could put like this vase here and then do like, you know, like 3 of these in there, or just something cute like that. I don't know, it'll be something like this, which I think it's beautiful and can't wait to put it on my house. I also got some of this like dried eucalyptus. I got 3 of these, and I thought these would look so pretty with the vases, like the taller one. So really excited for these ones. I got some of these Pampas. They're like the little tiny ones. And something cool that I love about all these dry florals is you don't have to put them on a vase. You can make like a wreath with them or just something fun. So there's just so many different uses for this. Like the possibilities are endless. Something that I was so excited about that I barely figured out I could do, I bleached these Pampas. So here in Utah we do get Pampas, but they're like a darker brown color. And I was doing an experiment and I bleached these and it worked. So I'm like, oh my goodness, I should probably go get some more. So I definitely think I'm gonna go get more and bleach them. The only thing is that we don't get like the really fluffy ones. They're more like, you know, like this, but they're still really pretty. And you can use these like all year round for different decor. So it doesn't have to be just for fall. Sorry, 1 second. Yeah, so the cool thing is that you can use these throughout the entire year. They don't have to be just for fall, but they look really good for fall too. And since I might have extra, I might even use them like to decorate like Christmas presents or just do something really cute with these. So I'm really excited about these. I also picked up some bunny tails. These are a beige color. I thought they were really pretty. It's still kind of fall-ish. I feel like you can use these like all year round. It's very in right now, but I didn't have any, so I thought this would be the perfect time to get some for my home decor for fall. And I'm probably gonna keep them the rest of the year. Because they're not like specifically like you see them, you're like, oh, fall, but it went really good with everything else. So I got these two, just thought I mentioned them. And then I also got these really large Pampas looking plants. I'm not exactly sure if these are Pampas or what they are. Let me take them out of the bag. I guess it says fall, like fall, autumn naturals, but I'm not exactly sure what these are called. So if you know what they're called, let me know. But they look like this, and I thought these would look really, really pretty too out, maybe on that big vase over there that I'm gonna be working on. So just lots of really fun ideas of vases and like plants that you can put on it. I mean, you just can't go wrong. I feel like you just put it on the vase and it looks cute just like that. So anything else you do is just extra, but so excited for this. So I got 3 of these, so just like odd numbers. So I got either 3 or 1 of everything, so. Lastly, for the fall or like the dried naturals, I got this from Home Goods. This one was a little expensive, $17. I feel like that was kind of a ripoff. I got all the other stuff later on. I got this probably like 2 months ago, a month and a half ago. I was with my sister at Home Goods and I was like, oh, this would be perfect, but I hadn't really seen all the other things that they offer like at JoAnn's or just like other places. So I saw this and I got it, but I don't know. I'm not gonna say that it was cheap. But yeah, I thought these would make a really fun fall decor. This is definitely fall, so this one will work great. I noticed that it has this circle under it, so I don't think the full thing is the dried plants. I think it's just like the outside of it. Nice way to trick ya. But yeah, what are these called? Like, I have no idea what these are called. I can't believe it. But yeah, I thought these would be really fun for decor as well. Okay, so now moving on to something more fall-ish, very fall appropriate. I got some pumpkins too. Very neutral colors, kind of like the style that I'm going for. I got these pumpkins from Home Goods. They were $8 and they are a really pretty, very light color of wood. So I think these are gonna look really, really pretty just throughout the house. I really like this color of pumpkins. They are a little bit smaller, so I wanted to get a different variety of sizes, so I got some other ones too. So I got this bigger one and then a little smaller one. That way they look really cute next to each other. And they're neutral colors, which are the colors that I'm going for. So I got several of these. These were from Hobby Lobby. And then I also got some other more cream colored pumpkins. These ones right here, just a variety of different sizes. That way I can just play around with them. So yeah, these are not white. They're more of a cream color. You can kind of compare the colors here and kind of see the difference. I also got this pumpkin from JoAnn's, but they had them at Hobby Lobby too. I think these are meant for painting. They're made like out of paper, like out of the brown butcher paper. But I'm just gonna leave it this color because I think this color is really cute. So I got one of these. This one's definitely bigger than all the other ones. I got a basket from TJ Maxx. It was only $13. I feel like this basket would be way more expensive normally. Look how big this is. I thought this would be really cute just to put like pumpkins inside. If not, I'm gonna use it anyway for blankets or for my pantry or for storage or for whatever it is. I always use these, so I'm really happy that I found a nice big basket. I have really been going through Pinterest and finding a ton of different ideas, and I really like the dry palm leaf. I think it's so pretty, but I don't really want to spend the money on it, and I thought maybe I could make my own. We'll see. So I got these pieces of like a light cardboard paper from Hobby Lobby, just like some earthy tones, and I thought maybe I can make my own dry palm leaves. So I'm gonna show you that as well later on when I do my fall decor video. So be on the lookout for that, but I think it's gonna work. I'm pretty sure it'll work out, and it's a DIY and it'll be super cheap. If it works, it'll be like 50 cents per leaf, which I feel like is a pretty good price compared to what they're selling it for on Etsy. So definitely stay tuned for that. This girl is so cute, I love her. My name is Cheekies, hi. She's my daughter, and I love her so much. Now this vase that you see back here, I'm actually thinking about doing a really big, fun floral decor piece. So I'm gonna use those pampas that are on there, but I'm also gonna just get some other fun dried, now maybe even use some of these ones that I have. There's a place where I saw some other ones that I might go cut later. So yes, I'm excited to see how that looks and turns out. So make sure you stick around for my fall decor video, because I'm going to show you how I decorate everything and just fun little DIY ideas as well. So that was the entire fall decor haul. So that was the entire fall decor haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you here, and make sure that you click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. I post videos every single week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.